Okay, students, we are moving to the next part, that is the how we want to open, or what is the reason for that behind this one, not taking care of the safety or not giving the compensation to the victim. Why it is that we are going to see very easily. We can say they are not giving worth or respect to the worker. If the worker is getting proper respect or worth, they are finding out this worker is the needed person in the factory, surely they will provide all the safety measures, they will provide compensation what they asked. Okay, one part of the answer lies in what is perceived as the worth of the Indian worker. How much they are giving that worth to the Indian worker. That is the reason they are not giving proper worth to the Indian worker. That's why what is happening? They won't take care about the safety measures and they won't think about the proper compensation also. One worker can easily replace another. What they are thinking, if one worker went or 10 workers went out of the factory or they died, then also we can very easily replace the with other worker. Since there is so much unemployment, there are many workers who are willing to work in the unsafe conditions. So what they understood when they came here and started factory, they are understood that even though it is an unsafe condition, we are Indians, or because of our unemployment, poverty, we are ready to work for any company without thinking about our safety, or without thinking about the hazardous or dangerous situation in the situation of the condition of that area or of that factory. That they understood reason it is the our unemployment. So we are ready to work with a very less wage even though we are not getting a proper safe situation. Making use of the workers' vulnerability, and employers ignore safety in workplace. So they understood that the workers, they won't ask any question, they won't ask any question to the government or to the factory, or they will keep quiet even though if they are giving such a dangerous situation to the worker. They understood that one, the word used as vulnerability, having the maximum chance to face the maximum problems related to any issues. Now here the gas leaking means the poisonous gas, it is coming from the factory where the people was working. They are having the maximum chance to get dangerous situation or face the dangerous situation. So that's why what they done, they ignore the thinking about the safety, never thought about computerized safety measures or giving warning to the people. Thus, even so many years after Bhopal gas tragedy, there are a regular report of the accident in the construction sites, mines or factories due to the callous attitude of the employers. So not only in Bhopal area or any other area, we can see the tragedies related to the mines or factories like that. Then we can see, if you are visiting nearby factories or any other area, I have visited 2-3 factories. In that factory, what I observed, there is no proper waste management system. So that factory area as well as nearby area, it may be spreading to more than 10 kilometers surrounding of that factory. They are not getting proper drinking water, safe drinking water, or the color of the water, it is changing to like a blackish color or brownish color like that. So people won't feel to drink water. So company never constructed proper waste management system. But at the same time, we can see some of the companies having the proper and international standard waste management system also. So what we should do as a student, we should make awareness among people how the companies or the factories should make sure that they are having the proper safety measures or at the same time proper waste management. Otherwise it is going to affect our health. Without proper drinking water, without proper health checkups, like that we are going to suffer. Then enforcement of the safety law, how the companies, what they should do. As a lawmaker or an enforcer, the government is supposed to ensure that safety laws are implemented. We have seen that one, the parliament members, they are making laws for the nation, and state assembly MLAs, they are making the laws for the state government. So not only making law or what the government should do, we know the three organs of the government, that is the legislature, then executive and judiciary. And legislature, they will make the laws, then executive, they will implement that one, and judiciary, they want to enforce that one, or they want to give the review, or they want to explain to the people what is the particular law, like that. So all the three organs of the government, at the same time with the elected members as a MLA or MP, all together we want to think about making policies related to the safety, as well as they want to think about the implementation, how it is going. We are having some safety laws. Is it implementing in every factory, like that? Who want to think? Government want to think, and they want to conduct some inspection. In some area, in schools, we are having inspection. It may be from CBSE or from the state government, like that. In every factories also, government should take care about the inspection, and they want to make sure that all the laws related to the wage, minimum wage act, then timing of the worker, like that things, it is implemented there properly, like that. Government should take care, or they should ensure that when it is working in every factory, like that. So government should, what they want to do, they want to ensure the safety laws are implemented. It also the duty of the government to ensure that a right to life guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution is not violated. That is the fundamental right, one of the fundamental right, a right to life that is given in Article 21 of our Constitution, it is not violated. If the safety measures are not taking care, then the law related to right to life also, they are not taking care. What was the government doing when there were such a blatant violation of the safety standards in UC plant? What the government was taken, or how they neglected that one? First, the safety laws were lax in India. Second, even these weak safety laws were not enforced. So in that time, in 1984, that time we never had proper safety laws in India, and we never thought about implementing that one. The enforcement, it was not happening, like that. Government understood, that's why what they done, they thought again, they started to make the safety measures and other thing. Government officials refused to recognize the plant as hazardous and allowed it to come up in the populated locality. So normally the factories, they are getting permission where there are very less population, but here in Bhopal area, that is density of the population was very high. In that area only government given permission to start the company. When some municipal officials in Bhopal objected that the installation of an MIC production unit in 1978 was a safety violation, the position of the government was that the state need the continuous investment in Bhopal plant, which provides job. So when some of the municipality officials, they objected that one should not come here, but the government was thinking about ensuring the job opportunities to the people. That's why they neglected that one also. It was unthinkable, according to them, to ask UC to shift to cleaner technology or safer procedures. The government, the state government, was unable to ask, or they was not in the position to question the factory, so they ignored everything. Government inspectors continued to approve the procedures in the plant even when repeated incidents of the leaks from the plant made it obvious to everybody that things were seriously wrong. Even though inspectors, government was conducting inspection whenever they are hearing about the accidents in the factory, what they was giving approval again and again. They never made any objection about this lack of safety measures. So as a student, what is our duty? To understand the situation in Indian this American companies or French companies when they are coming here and starting their factory. When we are getting chance to study about it, study and think about the safety measures they are taking care, or if they are not taking care, we should able to communicate that one in positively to the government as well as to the factory. Now we are studying 8th standard. We are almost completed 8th standard, again two more months only. So now we are in the position, means we can think and we can act according to that, or we are very responsible citizen of our country, or responsible children of our school or our area. So what we should do, we should study about like that things personally and want to make awareness among people. This should not happen in our area, or the government should take care about the implementation of the safety laws like that. Okay, we will continue rest part in next day. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.